Hey YouTube, this is Nas Love by Nas Beauty. I am just bringing you guys this view. This one right here, it's some vegetable. They call it sour. You know, it's a sour vegetable. And I just want to do a preview for you guys that this cuisine right here, it tastes so delicious. And I'm gonna bring it next time. Okay? And I have on my right over here, this one right here, it's like a collard green, but not collard green. It's just like kale, but it's not kale. You know, it's just this African vegetable that I'm gonna bring next time, that you guys gonna have to enjoy it with me while I'm cooking, so I can teach you guys to eat some variety or versatile, as you can call it, of vegetable that tastes amazing. Look at that. Ooh wee, it tastes so amazing. I put some green onion, I'm sorry, some bell pepper, green bell pepper, and the red bell pepper, some onion in there, some fish inside. There's this nice fish that I usually buy at Costco. It's a smoked fish. Oh my God, it's already ready. You just take off your bone and throw the fish inside. And I put some, what is this? The eggplant, you know, so it's, ooh, you can just see it. Girl, you do not want to miss this. Look at it. I'm just zooming it up close. Look at that. And look at my vegetable over here. It's already done. And I'm gonna just tune off my stove. I'm sorry, I'm gonna tune off my stove. And this one also, I just did it with oil, tomato, onion, and put the vegetable inside, let it, you know, cook or sim for like maybe 20 minutes. And then you know, like you want it to be very soft, you know. So once you get to where you like it, and then you go ahead and put some fish. I did put the same fish, the smoked fish that I buy at Costco. Oh boy, look at that. You do not want to miss this sour. So in French they call it osei. uh this one right here, this vegetable, I don't know the name in French, but I know the name uh in Swahili we call it lenga lenga, you know. Donc matembe, pas même matembe, lenga lenga, that's how they call it in Swahili. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the more video to come. Bye bye. And this, you eat it with fufu. Okay, these are some African vegetable. You can eat it with fufu, and it tastes so amazing. And you can have some meat on the side as a side dish. Meat, your vegetable, and your fufu. Oh boy, today, you do not want to miss today. And this vegetable right here, that's what makes you hide it when the visitor come and visit you. Oh Lord, you just say, oh, I'm not receiving today because this vegetable looks so amazing. I am just joking, okay? You need to share. They say share, it's caring. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my stove because I see it's ready to eat. Wow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make some fufu. Guys, I am gonna just bring the finished product, and you guys gonna enjoy it with me. Can you? See you soon.